Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And look what finally arrived here in my home. It is none other than the Citrus MacBook Neo. And here to unbox it, my special friend. Say hello to the camera.
Hi.
All right, so take it away. This is your second unboxing of a MacBook Neo.
It's yours.
Yes, this one is mine, and we will definitely do a color comparison in a moment. But let's get started. Take it away.
So this is the MacBook Neo. This is the citrus color, and it's this light green color.
Yes.
Green yellowish color.
Now, why don't you read the specs on the back, which is the one that I got. There's only two versions, obviously.
So, this one is the 8 GB memory, like my one before,
512.
I mean 512 GB storage.
Exactly.
13-inch MacBook Neo. It
Perfect.
is
Right.
perfect. And of course, it's from Apple.
Yes, so let's go ahead and from the back, you will start the unboxing. So here we go. Let me do the other one because I definitely
Yeah, it's
want to do this one. And once again, that just feels amazing.
Okay, now we flip it over and then it's time for the Okay.
And wow, what a
Hello.
quick unboxing. There's the hello. And let's do it together here. Let's lift it up. Amazing. Amazing. And thanks once again to my queen. Thank you so much for this amazing, amazing device that I will be using. I will definitely be using this for editing and for reviving the channel. Look at that color. It is amazing. What are your thoughts on this color?
It's
Unboxer.
really good. It looks. I would have gone this one, but like.
You would have gone for the citrus over
Yeah.
your choice, but you went for the more standard, I think still great color though.
I like this color.
And as you can see, someone is definitely a fan of a show. I think if you can see for 2 seconds, you can tell she's fully decorated.
No,
Her
I don't
MacBook
really
Neo. But let's look at this color comparison there. Wow. Let's move these aside here. And as you can see, designed by Apple in California. We have all the usual stuff with the MacBook Neo. But let's look at that color comparison there. In citrus, let's get with the right lighting here versus that's a better shot there between the two. And what are your thoughts on these two colors? Honestly, I think the silver is probably the most basic. The blush pink is also nice. I think that will be a popular one. But I think if you're going for the regular look, Sienna, what do you think of this color, this indigo? Have you enjoyed the color of this computer?
Yes.
It's nice, right? But I gotta say, for all the people who love green or are into these brighter colors, you will definitely stand out with this MacBook Neo. Go ahead and open up the lid and let's take a look at the keyboard and the matching keys. Aha, there it is. And so you can see it's turning on now. Now, what I do like about the indigo version, though, I gotta tell you guys, is that the keys you can see are a bit darker and they're kind of more bluey. They match. I quite like that. Whereas all the other MacBook Neos have this kind of whiter with a slight tinge of color, but the indigo's really blue keys. How have you been enjoying your MacBook Neo so far? Do you like this computer?
I use it every day and I listen to Spotify. I listen to.
Nice. And have you done anything like big with it? Have you made a video or have you watched or just watching YouTube?
Watching YouTube.
I see. Okay, so there you go. For the typical consumer, which is just sending random messages, watching YouTube, consuming content, I think this MacBook Neo and this one, of course, will be perfect for day-to-day use. But I'm definitely going to push this bad boy even more. I'm going to be using this as my actual main computer for Final Cut. You know, I sold my MacBook Pro M1 Pro about a year ago because I just wasn't using it. And now I really think, other than just using my iPhone to edit, this will be my main editing machine for just basic videos that I'll be doing on the channel. And I think this can handle Final Cut or CapCut as well. I definitely recommend you try using CapCut on your MacBook Neo and make a little short film, movie or film or video at some point. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up, but there you can see the MacBook Neo looks amazing. Look at that color with the matching green legs, green feet here on the sides. And this citrus is just, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing.
If you know how to use VoiceOver.
No, we don't need to use VoiceOver. But that's it for this one, guys. And, you know, obviously I just woke up. This just arrived. But I can't wait to put this through the paces, do all my benchmarks, and basically just start editing on this thing. I will be using this as my main editing machine.
English is the main language.
Oh my gosh.
And so here we go. We're going to turn that off. But stay tuned, guys, for more great content. Appreciate the support. And once again, you know, I can't wait to really start making some great videos with this machine.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, exactly. Got to revive Frankie Tech. We got to bring it back. So anyways, that's it for this one, guys. And I'll leave you now with one last shot of the two MacBook Neos next to each other. Beautiful, beautiful. God, just a gorgeous color, this citrus. I am really in love, guys. I am in love. So that's it for this one. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Someone's excited. I'm definitely excited. Oh, yeah.